So here we have this Weaver General Household 216 piece hand tool set. Now full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. This kit comes with pretty much everything you need for simple repairs around the house. There's a few different screwdrivers, some wrenches, a tape measure, a level, a ratchet, some small clamps, drywall anchors. Then on this side there's a few more useful tools. There's a hammer, some pliers, some wire strippers, a break-off box cutter, a metal saw, a whole bunch of bits, a wide selection of Allen wrenches, electrical tape, cable ties, and a bunch of metric sockets. It's definitely not a complete kit. It is missing a few things. For example, these wrenches skip 3 sizes, and those wrenches along with these sockets are all metric. And a lot of the tools are also bare bones, like these wire strippers. They're pretty simple, but they work. This level is just made of plastic. It has a magnetic strip at the bottom. And then these clamps, probably not going to use too often. This 10-foot tape measure is pretty small, but overall you get the basics you'll need for small DIY home repairs or other small projects. But if you don't have too many tools at your house, then this is definitely a decent kit to get, and it's pretty cheap. It's a great way to get a bunch of tools that you might need and keep them all in the same location that's quick and easy to access.